country where punitive sanctions need those kind of way, you are relegated to the background. So anybody, I'll be your opportunity to be in power and things, I can just do anything and get away with it. NPP have listened to a lot of the guys in there. Farming areas, farmers are seeking to incite them, say, but that is not what the situation is. The fact of the matter is, cocoa board na kasanaya, ya bureka gusu, and some of the pioneer a kind of fast buy, mind boggling, you understand? And sometimes I blame the current cocoa board, say, you see, whenever you inherit an entity or we are saying and a situation like this, let the people know. I can't just say governance and your bosom. So what's your sense for wow or that so? Because one problem, I think I will try to tell people the state and nobody will take you serious. You understand? I sat here some time ago and attempted to open some of the way to do. Because that is what you need to governance and open it up. Let people know the state of. Because John Mahama promised to pay cocoa farmers 70% of the FOB price, and indeed he paid. But the only unfortunate thing is dollar no nam set tiba for mintino. The money and as a farmers of Monsakano, they couldn't. Because that is the exchange rate problem. I wasn't the president, but the promise that he made is Obetuya cocoa farmers 70% of the FOB price. He kept that particular promise, but Annam said not dollar no aswati aba for mintino. Cocoa farmers and Komunya around 6,000. They couldn't get because of the exchange rate. And it is a lie for LB. Better Biaka say promise no make you the promise has been and dollar no swati aba for no. Cocoa farmer no enyesika kese there but are compensating the other side and I look at the economy and I try to stabilize and it is a woje sikana wanya even though said that now we expect to be cost no wanya na it will compensate for these things but Kwabena Agyarko and na to go among for say sikana almost 70,000 sa 70,000 the whole FOB price sa buying time ni na the farmers kwa enu 7,000 because of the exchange rate. So it is highly hypocritical. And again, answer na buying back on na sa jute sack na se for no. Yeah, there a big report to clear ko munyan clear. Kwabena sign contract e ko pia bebrebe gum some of the sack na ye be here no. Maybe in the next 5-6 we kwa no yen
15 years old.
Exactly. But Kwabena tena sign contract cocoa board no dey come e gba modern e ko sign sa contract no e ko to buy. I know that they are morning and today they are emboldened to be doing press conference. And again, 2016 John Mahama Babakono. Na cocoa ni yetimi strive to a point. Eka 2016. Ya fancy 1 million metric tons of cocoa. 2024. Abayi no bakono. Na cocoa syndicated loan na yakwakwaje. Say yede babato cocoa. Na yakwakutu ayakano. Syndicated loan na yedeka. It got to a point even cocoa we had to collateralize it. Yakosikam sabe ya ibenya sika. Cocoa board this ne ya fan saying ne documents I had loan come fan saying ne credit worthiness and nam so am I loan every na it was 0. You could not go out there because cocoa na kwakwaji want to yaka what the over 390 something thousand metric tons of cocoa. You need to pay in the next year. And the funny aspect of it is that next year now ubetiano say cocoa price in the cost now you are not going to sell at the current price because Nippon what in the car in the last year, so you are going to use the last year price and just such an entity never that. So these are the factual realities to me and pay attention to. Over the years, the financing model of cocoa board I've always criticized it. It doesn't make sense. Sa cocoa syndicate ya kwaji bafuna insi hon ya ba beto cocoa ni akwakutia. So when the NPP in 2022 make that declaration, so free na kono syndicated loan yan kwaji biem, they created an impression say other financing model be a sustainable pay. Not knowing say a Canada cocoa board books were so dirty to the sense that and the credit ratings of Ghana at the time there wasn't any single entity from Ghana because you demonstrated say so we lost that particular chance to go to your friend saying for that cocoa syndicated loan. And the papa so I'm making it look like government has a certain financing model be ever. And then in the mua a buying change there need to be a definite discussion as to what financing model will be appropriate for us because early stages at John Mahama taking over, no. Now the economy, they said they are net you. So you cannot make and start any conversation to go for any loan at the time because mine and Kasakwana Fena over here near mama near my ye and son what thinking about loan. So the option of going for those loans, you know. Now, then the cocoa board will have to fall on other people who are ready to provide their money for you to buy the cocoa. Then ukotonwa. Not your friends sikani who say the BCI no. But private person or not in the sika amount no. That money no and like at the FN guarantee other sources of where the amount. And you no scan or the amount no or share the prevailing your friends market price.
Yeah.
And the who promise of farmers no he doesn't care because he's a business person.
Yeah.
You understand? And you know sikana buy akwa what the top price Robert say and then cocoa no eswati. Before I buy a take over, no, I buy take over early stages, you know. Now it was around 5,000 metric tons, and 5,000 per ton, dollar per ton, and then I dip it almost by $100,000, about 4,000, 4,000, you know. What you can set it price, price, you know, on the previous 5,000. Cocoa farm, and you cannot go to a cocoa farm and tell them matter price, and so that can never happen in this country because it will be politically suicidal. So Abai will have to find any other alternative aside reducing the cocoa price because the very moment you go say that is suicidal, you know, say politically it is very dangerous to make that decision. And the question is, how do you come up with a way the financing gap will be addressed. And this is the challenge. In some of my country, when you know, say, and yet deliberate say, obiti cocoa board and that, Randia been what taking certain reckless decision, idea babedu and that. A systemic, never no babedu and catch up with us. So going forward, you know, I think what we need to discuss is the appropriate financing model. Either say about domestic or external. Now you're making sure say cocoa board no. I say, you know, and a very secure source of funding going forward. This is how we want to do it. And again, cannot just walk free. And because people sat our ECG did the same thing. Okay, cables in as a form. Yeah, every night a bin in them, Sawam as a form. Quite first, or mine, sometimes what's in China as a young person, I will hear. The rate they near my first you feel so embarrassed and ask yourself, and your mind way, obiti baby or dream my home. Because you can't be doing these things. Abandon your loose power and sign contract, yen to talk to Tonema. And the sad aspect in the say, Sanya Maninya Medru, I need to any panini in Canada. Because why one juicy car on Bomb Farm. So our mind cannot be running on this particular line. So for me, I think that it's sad that this thing, Cocoa Board is going through this way, but I think, sir, now that the president has taken key interest in it, you know, I hope, sir, we'll be able to navigate our way through. Now, sir, and some now, Kofonami Mkrasi, Mutu, Trogu, cocoa farmers, assume, sir, Obina Kobokan, Obina Yese, Nobi say no, no Caribbean, Nipo Modi Cocoa Board, a dream, and so forth. I the same person because entity, hand it over to them, no. Now it has a positive, we have say, equity. Yeah. About the sign I will hand it over, no, then you are run over about 2.something billion in terms of negative equity. And the same person today have the moral audacity running from farmers telling them, say, and a buying alpha musika, Sikaban are buying a fire. When they are privy to the prevailing way, your friend is saying the market. And again, and I'm say over the years, yenya near my yentino, cocoa na yen ye produce any Cote d'Ivoire, no. We are not the people who even determine the price. Some say, Obina Kobokan, Obina Yese, Nobi Yese, no Caribbean, Nipo Modi Cocoa Board, a dream, and so forth. I the same person because entity, hand it over to them, no. Now it has a positive, we have say, equity. Yeah. About the sign I will hand it over, no, then you are run over about 2.something billion in terms of negative equity. And the same person today have the moral audacity running from farmers telling them, say, and a buying alpha musika, Sikaban are buying a fire. When they are privy to the prevailing way, your friend is saying the market. And again, and I'm say over the years, yenya near my yentino. Cocoa na yen ye produce any Cote d'Ivoire, no. We are not the people who even determine the price. Isn't it shameful? Yana ye produce a raw material, no, and yeah, because we are unable to add value. Nipa no ko add value, no, we determine the price. It doesn't make sense. So we must also be looking at value addition. Kwa ebe faso cocoa, no. you better turn it into a finished product. So you send your product now, and then there is a price tag. In your one otchere inside, but also one raw now the car on the decoy BB or on the factory. So on the bed the price in amount. So we must also be looking at some of these things. Cocoa board the car to the sense that now one of the entities is CMB or one of the cocoa marketing way. Now you're torn a Japan, your body don't come because PBC.
Yeah, PBC, yeah, PBC.
Yes. I'm a brand to be kind, you're not happy with it. You're probably man
that was last week.
Yes, the gentleman. And these jokers today are out there making loud noise about cocoa board. Yeah, PBC, no. Yes, a son and near man, a car and as a phone, you know, be good, where I auction because a camera on the entity of cocoa board the same
and
thing.
You could be sad, Dr. Bawumia will meet the press or also on your way, say cocoa board you go.
Oh, yo. So, yeah, these are the factual realities. So, I think, sir, government should find a way. Yeah, the abayamawa. Nya friend, I will be blamed. I understand. Say you don't need to be blamed, but I think the story must also be told.
Exactly.
Because these people are out there deceiving farmers and telling them say sikana obikuraka say esan komama mo 60 million.
Yeah.
How is it possible? The FOB price at the time and it cost 5,000. 5,000 no convert here saying how can you pay way? But the fact is that dollar na swate the bank kept its promise by making sure that the 70% of the FOB price will be paid. But dollar depreciation, you know, it has gone to the other side. You understand?
So dollar no so a depreciating side and
so that is the level of intellectual dishonesty slot into our politics. Some of these guys because I'm gonna do a negative politics. Yan say they are the best when it comes to some of these things. But the things they are accusing people of, you know, almost setting the board emotion, everything that has happened. Since when everybody cocoa, a bank will have to pre-finance. Your friends say, "Ukofa cocoa, ukokutiaka, unjisika, utibi wa hifa," and you did all these things in the Allah. Yeah, it's funny.
Osha rollover contractor we cocoa board and casa document kwa mfaso nya de mekwa namnim or see total rollover contract of 333,768 metric tons worth at 2,661 per ton. Into total delivered 235,395 metric tons using 2024-2025 production purchase at producer price of $3,100 per ton. Yes, I don't know. So
you see, said there is a financing gap now.
There's a financing gap. So say $103 million. Send a bet me a gap na about.
Yes, and my culture said price in water so it's not an option.
Yeah.
So it means that is why the president has come in. You need to find a way.
Yeah,
because
to go and look for money.
Yes, a customer will benefit here, but from so you should. So that is how. But I think that cocoa board now structurally, you know, we need to just set it up properly.
Yeah.
And some of the institutional laxity, you know, is high. I think that there must be certain stringent measures.
Conditions and services so you
oh, now can I want to say it to a big way that yeah, I think that you see, state own enterprises over the years, and there are two teams. They are not entities that run a profit. But can we say they are entities that run for a loss? So most of them have become debt-producing machines. And on mobile mine Bank of Ghana to meet for the first time to move over 60 billion. What to be that? ECG Airboka. Your friends saying almost all the entities Airboka. But these are people who are paid well. CEO, he's paid even better than the president and MPs.
Yeah.
Your friends are fact allowances, but they are all running debt. Yes, we can understand that some of the rule, no, but we cannot always be accepting. No. That human indiscretions, those kind of stuff.
Divine. Cocoa board assembly.
When cocoa board assembly, I assemble here, and when you put it, if you put it into a historical perspective, we say. Cocoa for cocoa board in some nya dia obetumi atuna jeje mu anaso obe handle no e bia la keke because we check here history fiti Kwame Nkrumah pencil even pre-colonial times no any post besinda who say your budget and your GDP ni bibia no we for cocoa contribution from our economy never crashing and that's a big collapse.
Sure.
Contribution no very very significant won't mean relegate you.
Yeah.
And it had to say a cry for no only year or contract. Do you know say almost can a training say co school.
Yeah.
Na fa onim de no be manage ye na nanom adwe na we ache no no say co school. Na fa onim de no ebra ebeboa na ye manage ye. Ye mum no mde akọ school no ye nyansa na ye nyaye no ye mum ye di wi omo ye de bomb kro no e mismanage omo and that's quite unfair. She cocoa board literally practically like crumbling on its knees out to say or you have challenges. Why? How did we get here?
Yeah.
It's because say nipa sheda boni trimu pose omu placing the interest of the ordinary farmer no e was so e no mo ankasa because how come say e kai fo no mo ko afuom omu ko nwuram e kodo e de enuaye ba na oman no di kwaji bosia o e wo mudin mu suma mu yoba mo kra mo de kwaji hu sika enje ho faso na eba na wo say utumi nya mo sika e fa mo it's because of how ya manage institution no hwe ukokai Auditor General's report 2023 dia ya wo mu ni say unim say administrative overhead costs nkwa ebro the entire sika no mu ditua cocoa farmers foka na oshe omo breakdown one you can see say crofo just wicked say omo ko for monitoring no hwe omo ko monitoring say otchere mu no aba wafuom na esi o ye behwe na ye hwe say ukoshe budget ya assign ya omo de call rounder more than half of producers for can cause that particular unit office ni pay monitoring meanwhile na esi enye sika enfentua even when there was an embargo placed on recruitment say no your budget no I tight into at this point no my enye recruitment me enye say that was when last minute.
Yes, and it's true. Quickly, I think that this overstaffed cocoa board and workers in over 100,000.
Yeah, and somebody was saying he was met with say over you
you're packing it that.
Yeah, you're packing and I say okay you be this yes.
Payroll so crampa ye nimba fie ni office mom ye ni baby mom ye ni baby adwuma mo ye and ye recruit them and it's cut across na Ivan e ka hwe scholarship secretariat e ka amagina to and na me no ka say you see omanga na hia suehunu bi wo advanced artificial intelligence man bi munti no we need to go and expand our UK ye de ka UK amasisi ye yentumi and microphone kobi. How did we get here? In 2022-2023, the Minister of Finance wrote to the Secretary, Scholarship Secretary, said no, pause. Microphone na mo position mo ni na no yen hwe how you be reconcile in financial na make sure say omo sikasam ye betua biansa. Unim say that sorry ye no kwabra ni 2024 no kra na ya man warning kra no 2023 e ho kra no sa so nipa e ko kumu na dia ya ne say okobrani ani oba atwempena nimpena oni oba na twi keke ni nti no obekọ no oba na musua ni nyina line ni nyina obi agu UK enya scholarship and it's not even based on merits. Sadi we cut across am ye di e umbo ni mi kokofo no I'm not going to say me ni aban enya adua na say ebia bebia state na aban ehu ne ho a I to say why handicap quite handicapped no may sympathize with aban but me there I'm on the side of the farmers. The farmers no na me there me ni omo edwin because e kokokokoko ba ye didi no mo akomo de omo what I say ye bo abro say ya na sankofo ne tete ho ye bo abro say ya na sankofo ne to hwe ECG. Could you imagine say okabrani o me ni maji oni panitrim na o say or procure stationery stationery or procure in advance of 30 years.
Yes, niama no omode ba no
photocopy paper wa 30 years
wa madam
people to say photocopy paper any niama ya de be say no order aba begu honum da no tie rande abi jute sacks ya order containers ye to be clear ya san so order etua in advance e no Kwabena kofie akoda na yere nchen
ha
ani yete ha de na yesi kokofo no ye nya abotre mo obi ani obenya abotre why we must find money as say ye di kotuo mo ka no e say dem sika mo but abai so to me mba no me hwe han e be ka say oh ye tua sika we are going to find money somewhere until ye tua we omo di sa abone no no makokoda Auditor General's report 2023 biwa sika ye lusu ye through malpractice, corruption and corruption related in Yemen. It was a tune of 25 billion. We didn't say 18.5 is a energy sector and ECGP. Energy sector 18.5 billion. Now bisa won say e ba ne sen nipa na omo rani under na omo kwanda no onu say or engage in what you no CSR, corporate social responsibility akọ onu no ti ontumi ntua ene events independent power producers ka ontumi ntua osimesika ontumi ye hwe no onu so akokoto motor bikes more than 1,000 because I say order who's a Ghana problem in procurement and akoto motor bikes so the Kwakoma institution. So no yeah corporate social responsibility. Yanka see to untuaka. And all this nyina esika sinking into individual pockets. Why are they still there? Imagine say obeko ECG say asa okwakoto credit. Wa okita osika, obedu esi network. Network ni so ye obi contract every month bi ase tua ne ka. Now still the person is still holding on. Nipa na so na so manage the same contract. You see there be. Meanwhile no okwa services na you say provide them amount for no any ho.
Na no wonam ha na meter nyansa ye nya hwe kwabrane award meter ye replace. Yes, because ya contract.
Mr. Ghana problem no. Procurement. And unim say ya ma sebi in profile nya adwuma. Dan madam bi ka kire me teacher ni bi o upper west. But honum and what letter ko ECG say roof leaky omo here nsuo omo here washroom near yi omo tra omo sanka omo honum a ya the next more than 400 ababegu ono bi say
na konya ram de
na konya de omo de no say o ya order from ministry na de abana mudinka ono so ono request for hwe omo say o njia na ejagu awia ne mu because ya the contractor mo bi say ko bobo next na pabegu onum na yentua o kind when people don't even need it it who say Ghana has obi pretend say ordwin na oye bibi kakra na it say bi obenya film but when it comes and benefit you mo no mama dwen no abo ayi I say adwin fi abo mutrim hwa bibi o kai say ayi nkrofo bi e share that by say obo ba support and health sector abcc cheap compounds na ayi na that time no President John Romani Mama first time no ma sign a contract be esenka abanda da no continue minister ne buy no unu say because ye buy you see ye man kickback ye man hwe bia menu omo ye ya na omo si o yes eba eno kra ka ma bibi ye sake no all because na o push age omo ko find out no okọ ye say okọ cabinet meeting ko fone to one mo si o zango for a project na dey mi wa ko fone no do musika ba be bibia be from the start mo ya ba hwe itino ye boy ho abra say ye be gin dia solving crofo problem a ye di anim dia ne adwe ne nya adwuma na ke tra say hwe okuye ni ye si cocoa contracts cocoa road is lego ye cocoa ho it is a cocoa ni a onu kwafuo mu you know how roads they deplorable now say there be unkosi hospital unkosi health facility mom unyo mu kwan yie uba be si cocoa clinic ewo North Kaneshi meanwhile no mu kwa fom a owo ka omo snake serum no ye freeze because one freeze say o dia ba betu kolebu ne ko bisa se ni pa he no owo ka omo e de omo ba ho 37 ye come bush meanwhile bush one say you have to think about the farmers and their interests no you careless you know me say sometimes how are we trying say your boy and one boy treaty and ho near boy and wo kro no me dey me say last time you know I was on the observer mission of South Africa in their elections and one of my colleagues from Congo on me jina no catch him say sometimes you know boy and one bro because I say politician you can still solve the problem and eat. And still let your children attend the best schools or say you will drive the best car and still solve the problem. How come say because me I don't know how
I agree.
It's possible say like me ebi wa nkofo dom ne Gyamfi so manage we ma me osi o construct obi wa o si dan osi o divine obetimi aboa me ne yesi hwe edan ni keke na me hwe na me monitor say yesi o me kwa haba no me fa hwe but me akasa so me sorted in the process you say we minister unya sorted who award the contract who make sure say contract no unya hwe na who make sure say wa award the we nye kickback crowd eje but make sure say ade no they are solve na mu wi a na mako akoda say ye nyina ye fa no enkope mu bo how do you treat the state like that me kokobo problem no I am emotional sentimental about it because people suffer ye bre and as you see you know ya nye careful black gold na ye keka na you see you won't say black gold na cocoa na cocoa so your economy na se no when you give people options people will go for other avenues and bois or mine for instance you see ye nyina nim gold me ni be efi be say see be bia otu a unya bi na crofo be start so me be experiment and unfortunately for us as a country team see let's not pretend. I always say this any policy be national policy be for especially the youth in future no you need addressing what we call the shortfall artisanship mu it would mean say no because of a certain culture see young people are more no on pay juma on pay kiayo on pay apprenticeship quick
money.
Bibia quick because our orientation na yede mam mrantia ne nkola no at the basic level no say it is obi aye quick na nke ba ne say na isi hairdresser etumi tena on mo no achoro apprentice needed with salary apprentice yes also if apprentice and the salary ka that's why we are going they see unim say we see die obekọ site say 10 people na on 9 nkrofo mo fi neighboring countries Ghana ni ba because mebu no empe eniam asua omo mpe sa no nyuma ope fast and then no na cause our sector ni mu na yen panyifo no kohwe the average age na ye nkrofo mo wa twa mu no I'm telling you say in the next 20 years more than 70% any one man one me be replace you.
That's it, a big question. All right. Well, the question kese pa na divine ato mu no nyame ne yembo afo yen hwe Kofi Ofosun cancer eno ye won say NPP for ko NIB so ana friend say bi na amamka bi na wa ne no na eno mo release no mo ko ye search oni fe ye hu say omo so mo ko hu scholarship documents former director be assign ade I don't know. So
yeah. I think the gentleman knew what he was saying when he was on the platform, because Nipana now hosting Abochi from Techiman, very experienced journalist. And so we quite fast or query no platform no so maybe a man for young her video no. He took almost about 5 minutes questioning him. Emma can say ain't say your friend pa
me.
Emma he insisted say yes our evidence because to sit on such a platform and you need smaller platform baby because of social media now okwajetum say yes minim na your ton na NPP for kwa na your ton bi NDC aba your ton bi that is a very grave defense allegation to make because already my batna had the documents over about 700 pages abegu ha aba chere wo say Krono akoso scholarship secretariat a car egu ho asisi ameno kasa yi ya ban here from UK omo ban Ghana from Canada and other way you can send students a car egu ho ye run short courses at the mamamfo no mo yire ne omo mpananom ebo eka obi ko UK ko di 4 days for yourself friend top up program and I say short course 4 days
4 days.
You see, per day.
Na because say ono kosua de ni sabi o ni yire anani kun wentumi nya kwan ene ni mbu atopenti esi e mani kun alawa for time ani ya
makwabrane scholarship
wo yini mo
ya makwabrane scholarship ne ya fa ne yire ne maba e 4 de akire na ya kwa o minus ye tua ne yire ne man stipend abra ne ma bi sua de na kwabrane na no ya fa nsai odi ni yire achi a ommo bra bia ono ye tua ne stipend no Asian throw letter abra scholarship secretary say, me maame awu your friend say Ghana nti no me pese mu ntwa take it maame hope me mfa mbra me hwe maame na mu nsantia maame na scholar sika bunti. And then we pay for all this nonsense. And you already know Ghana for you very incised about Nema Koso. Your friend say scholarship secretariat. And then say investigation Koso dada. And for you to be boldly on TV to say yeah, turn scholarship. And you see, people should look at the interview, how the journalist asked him several questions. I managed to say, indeed, this guy, or you'll be a CEO of the NPP. Exactly. Ordinary, or so to make such categorical allegations, he knew that definitely he will be called. Yefrewa, one our allege, and you need to lead evidence to justify, say, indeed, Kwaku Tombi, Abena Tombi, Bansamna Okano. You see, now only the Oka and a correct because scholarship were being sold. On one because the records in the scholarship secretary, my country say there is a guy of free UK, say or Ghana. Nimianom, yet on scholarship, when I'm so back and forth fake documents and so forth. You're buying the boys in almost 10 years and they cannot travel to UK. And there are a number of people because of that scholarship scandals now air cost because they were using it to do visa racketeering. Yeah, facilitating visa amount. Omunko school no they too kind. So these criminal things and I cost no. Kojo Forson cancels the why no. Oh yeah, where is the reason why according to sources you call them no scholarship award letters eguni them. You have saying and no objection eguni them no objection. They say Ghana didn't see man say kusuya de wie no. We are no actual letter but say mintimi maba Ghana be pesa me ka ho ntino I'm objecting.
Yeah, to return to even come and serve. No, sounds so say the stipend now.
Yeah, so it's a fact. It's a scholarship secretary and some now brand and it was business and no more running. So say what? Yeah, probably be providing further details. And what can you should be ready to provide those details. You understand? So this drama around NPP na yako jirani ya
say. You say a lawyer can say a political arrest.
A political arrest na asem no kwatena radio so camera me kan share na no. So we nim nyansa na me kwatena radio so akoka asansem we you should be able to provide evidence. You understand? Yeah, sometimes the excesses of our security agencies wherever here na yatam nipa na ye de ko secret locations and man dey nsebunu an kan chwa na meboa. What tam nipa na wo de ko de ba bia at least the lawyer should be in the know. What I say? Baby ya ba bedru wintimi nchi nipa mfa na ko se baby. Ya hwehwe na ye hunu no sansebunu dey say twa. But the fact of the matter na say Niema na kwana kano nsema he has to provide evidence. I bet me because state already providing investigation. And the wo nsema watimi aka sansem mo yo se enne nyina cost obi ton scholarship. Sasa for Net2 ton scholarship when the makajo say UK na okano under NDC nobody has been awarded scholarship to go to UK. So in some na okano what kind of side we because that admission came from his side. He needed to do that force equivalent. Say, yeah, I'm for Bediatuo say, but that is not the reality. Last year, NAPO Munya scholarship travel outside Ghana were less than 20. Because a car a guhono, a nyeka to have an within the panoko. What I say? So I think that scholarship we know the purpose of Kwame Nkrumah the bad and near Jumabim. Because purpose they say the emerging field that Ghana yen said need personnel or yen form on outside or more decide him there no farmer boy and yes I TBM. I'm for your humanities, I'm for sorrow law through your first scholarship secretariat. Che okwe courses I'm for a year. Sometimes what's here na bofuno. And some of these scholarships cannot stipend nan kwano betimi a training over bare 10 people our Legon. Then as for that na boy bro. So for me I think that this scholarship, foreign scholarship, we need to restrict it strictly to specific, like this robotics, Internet of Things, AI, those new emerging fields. That is, you cannot give Obi scholarships on quite law. You can't give Obi so on quite humanities and other way. When those things, faculties, we can train those individuals here. So I think that is a lesson for us. Some whereby they came to destroy almost everything. Minimum one sector and suffer and Akufo Addo. And now because the leadership of Kroma say, Kwabena turning the scholarship secretariat, into some kind of a profiteering enterprise. And on to run a scheme. And that quickly, I got in a parliament. What I say, and nobody is even questioning anybody. I think that states, need to sharpen ne accountability your fans are drive no so that omo yes adema we nyina no will be brought to justice. And yes I am quite anim da. I understand investigation is going on and it's good the president swiftly responded because over the years, you know, but for the president to hear something on social media to quickly request to say investigation should be conducted, a chance that we are also moving somewhere. You understand? So I think some of these things, you know, in as much as the excesses of the security agencies, as for want people to question it, you know, it is in that light to say, Asabna Wakano, he should be able to provide enough evidence about the Bawumia investigation. And truly, I'm called the VA, and some Wakano was not speaking. And some documents in his house justifying say whatever going on the scholarship secretariat, now he was part of it. The reason why he has been able to tell you details. So such a person becomes a person of interest in the ongoing criminal inquiry. So he should be able to provide us details as to how it happened. Quite how fast was scholarship award letter be good in them. Kwanya, you have saying no objection be good in them. Any other way, charter, I want the phone, so any other conversation, he should be able to provide those details so that it will help government in its quest to unravel the sort of puzzle now also our scholarship secretariat. So for me, I think yes, everybody has the right to speak.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.